What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download files from your Google Drive to your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure that the Google Drive application is installed on your iPhone and that you're logged in with your Google account. When this is done, you can proceed to navigate to the files you wish to download to your device. If you wish to download images, such as JPEG and PNG files, then tap and hold the file in your Google Drive. This will also allow you to select more than one file at a time. Next, tap on the burger menu icon on the top right and then select Send a copy. Your Share menu will open up. Send your photos and videos to your library when tapping on Save Image, or send it to your Dropbox or Files app. It might take a couple of seconds to export your images depending on their file size. If you wish to download Google Sheets, documents, PDF or similar files, then tap and hold the file. You can proceed to make your selection if you want to download more than one file. When this is done, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and select Open In. This will allow you to directly send the file to another user or save it to your Files app, which is your native iPhone file manager. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.